Are you an engineering student tired of your laptop lagging during heavy projects or simulations? Imagine having a machine that handles coding, CAD designs, and multitasking effortlessly. In today's video, we're revealing the best laptops for engineering students, powerful, reliable, and built to handle. Ranking at number 5, we have SGIN 15.6-inch laptop computer. The SGIN 15.6-inch laptop is a perfect blend of performance, style, and reliability for both work and entertainment. Powered by the Intel Core i3-10100Y CPU that can reach speeds up to 3.9 GHz, this laptop delivers smooth performance whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or streaming in full HD. With a massive 16 GB of RAM and a 1024 GB SSD, you get ultra-fast data access, seamless multitasking, and plenty of storage space for your photos, videos, and software. Running on Windows 11, it provides a modern, user-friendly interface with enhanced security and productivity features. The full-size backlit keyboard adds a touch of elegance and makes working in low-light environments easier and more comfortable. The SGIN laptop's 15.6-inch IPS FHD display offers vivid colors, sharp details, and a 180 degrees wide viewing angle for a more immersive visual experience, whether you're watching movies or handling graphic tasks. Connectivity is fast and future-ready with Wi-Fi 6 support, HDMI output, and Type-C ports for quick data transfer and versatile device connections. With a 53.2 Wh battery, it ensures hours of uninterrupted productivity or entertainment on a single charge, keeping you powered throughout the day. The sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, offering the perfect combination of portability and power. Next, we have Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop is built to deliver smooth performance and dependable productivity for students and everyday users. Equipped with an Intel dual-core processor, 12 GB of RAM, and a combination of 512 GB SSD plus 128 GB eMMC storage, it offers the perfect balance between speed and space. You can easily multitask, open apps quickly, and store all your notes, projects, and media without worrying about running out of room. The 15.6-inch Full HD display delivers crisp, vibrant visuals, making studying, streaming, or creating content more enjoyable. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, it offers a clean, modern interface designed to enhance your workflow, while the inclusion of a 1-year Office 365 subscription ensures you have all the essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint ready to go from day one. Designed with students in mind, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 combines portability and functionality with a sleek gray design that looks stylish in any setting. Connectivity is fast and reliable, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, allowing seamless online classes, video calls, or streaming without lag. The built-in webcam and microphone make it perfect for virtual meetings or study sessions, and the SD card reader adds extra convenience for file transfers. Whether you're studying, working, or enjoying entertainment, this laptop can handle it all. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop is a reliable, all-around device. Next, we have Huidun 2025 Laptop. The Huidun 2025 laptop is a powerful and stylish machine designed to meet the needs of both students and professionals. Featuring a quad-core N150 processor that can reach speeds up to 3.6 GHz, it easily outperforms models like the N95, N97, and N100, making it ideal for multitasking, studying, and business use. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it delivers lightning-fast performance, quick startup times, and ample storage for all your projects, files, and multimedia. The 15.6-inch 4K FHD IPS display ensures stunning clarity, vivid colors, and a wide viewing angle, giving you an incredible visual experience whether you're creating presentations, watching movies, or attending online classes. Sleek, lightweight, and modern, the Huidun 2025 laptop combines impressive performance with a premium design that fits effortlessly into any environment. Built for convenience and endurance, this laptop features 100W Type-C fast charging technology, allowing you to recharge quickly and stay productive without interruptions. The efficient power management system extends battery life, making it perfect for long study sessions, work days, or travel. It's designed to handle demanding tasks smoothly, from running multiple applications to streaming in high definition. Whether you're a college student managing coursework or a professional handling business operations, the Huidun 2025 laptop offers the speed, efficiency. Next, we have HP Chromebook 14 laptop. The HP Chromebook 14 laptop is designed for those who value simplicity, speed, and style in their everyday computing. Powered by the Intel Celeron N40-120 processor, this laptop delivers smooth performance for browsing, streaming, and productivity tasks. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, it provides quick access to your favorite apps and files, while the Chrome OS ensures a fast, secure, and seamless experience with automatic updates. The 14-inch HD display offers clear visuals and vibrant colors, making it perfect for schoolwork, video streaming, and casual entertainment. The sleek, thin design with its mineral silver finish and ash gray keyboard adds a modern touch, giving it a premium look that stands out whether you're in class, at work, or on the go. Built for convenience and endurance, the HP Chromebook 14 boasts impressive battery life that keeps you powered throughout the day without constantly needing to recharge. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who needs productivity on the move. The integrated Intel UHD 600 graphics supports 4K video playback, offering smooth visuals for streaming and online content. With fast Wi-Fi connectivity and access to Google Play Store apps, you can easily stay connected, organized, and entertained. Last, we have HP 2025 Everyday Laptop. The HP 2025 Everyday Laptop is built for performance, portability, and productivity, making it the perfect choice for students, professionals, and everyday users. Powered by an Intel quad-core processor and 8 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking and fast performance, whether you're working, studying, or streaming. With Windows 11 featuring Copilot AI, you get an intelligent assistant designed to make your tasks easier and faster, from drafting emails to organizing your schedule. The laptop also includes free Office 365, giving you access to essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint right out of the box. With a 64 GB SSD for fast boot times, an additional 64 GB external storage, and a massive 1 TB of cloud storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your files, photos, or projects. Battery life is another standout feature, lasting up to 11.5 hours on a single charge, ideal for those who are always on the move. The lightweight and durable design make it easy to carry, ensuring you can work or study anywhere with ease. Even without a mouse, its responsive touchpad and full-size keyboard deliver comfortable navigation and typing. The HP 2025 Everyday Laptop combines powerful performance, modern AI features, and long-lasting endurance in one sleek, affordable package. Whether you're attending virtual classes, managing work tasks, or simply browsing online, this laptop gives you everything you need.